All right. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Okay, so real quick, we're going to kind of go back into some of these items and we're going to work through some um essential items that you really need to know. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of teach this as a lesson, and then you guys are going to work through your textbook project. Okay, we're going to start back at module one, but to start off there, we're going to do text basics. Okay, a lot of this stuff you may know how to do, but we're going to go over it together just so that we can see how to do it. Okay, so
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.
The foundation of text in Word is simple. Just click on your document and type. You can use the space bar on your keyboard to add spaces. And if you want to start a new line, just press Enter. If you make a mistake like I did, that's okay. You can press Backspace or Delete to fix it. You can also use your keyboard's arrow keys to move the insertion point up, down, left, or right. This is useful if you only need to move a few spaces or lines at a time, but you can also jump over entire words at a time. Hold the Control key and press the left or right arrow keys to jump over one word at a time.
we call those shortcuts. Okay.
There may come a time when you need to work with text in your document, maybe to copy and paste it or to move it to a different location. To do that, you need to know how to select text first. The text I'd like to select is the business name, H2O. You can see it here at the top of the list. Just click, hold, and drag your mouse over the text.
Okay, so when we click and drag to highlight text, what we're doing is we're choosing what we want to make changes to, okay? So anytime you're in the modules and they ask you to select the text, that's what you're going to do, click and drag.
Then let go. See how it's highlighted gray? That means the text is selected. This little box is the hover toolbar, which gives you easy access to formatting options like font color, size, and more.
Okay, you'll find that the hover toolbar comes up in Microsoft Word whenever you're trying to select something. It'll automatically come up just to give you more options.
There's actually more than one way to select text. You can use the method I just showed you, or you can move the cursor to the left of your text until it becomes a right slanted arrow.
Okay, you guys have done that on your module training. You learned how to do make the arrow a right facing arrow and then select as well.
If you position the arrow to the left of the line that you want to highlight and click once, you'll select that line of text.
Notice that it selects the entire line and not just pieces in the text. So if you just want to select certain words, you're going to have to actually click and drag to select it.
You can click and drag up or down to select as many lines as you want. To select all the lines in an entire file, go to the Select command on the Home tab and choose Select All.
Another shortcut for that is
pressing the Control key and A key.
Control A. Okay, just Control and A, not the plus sign. Just Control and the key A.
On your keyboard at the same time will also select all the text. Now that we know how to select text, let's try copy and paste. Just click the Copy command on the ribbon, choose where you want the text to go, then click Paste.
Okay, so most of us know how to copy and paste, but make sure you pay attention to the fact that you can copy and paste from your toolbar as well as Control-C, Control-V, which I think is going to come up on the screen in a second. Also, she's going to do the right-click way where you right-click and do cut, right-click copy, and right-click paste, okay? So those are some options of how to copy and paste as well. All right, now let's keep going because I only have 5 minutes in this item. So I think she's going to take some text and copy it.
Now click, hold, and drag where you want it to go.
Okay.
You may need to do some rearranging to make sure it ends up the way you want.
Okay, that's the drag and drop feature when you're copying and pasting text or moving text. If you mess up something, you can always hit the back arrow or the undo button and it will allow you to undo it, okay? So that's one quick lesson, guys, on how to do some items in Word. If you've ever been interested in how to kind of learn some more of these items, you've got plenty of options in here. But what I want you to do is work on your textbook project number 1. And I want to see how well you guys can work on that, okay? So let's do that now.